ba ipaakanyeditse go dira le go boloka matshelo mo porofenseng gape le go nna le maitemogelo gareng ga tse dingwe. Maitlhomo ke go tokafatsa boleng ba ditirelo tsa boitekanelo kwa metse-selegae e leng kwa porofenseng.
It's also a means for us to motivate the younger generations that are coming, further doctors, what is expected of us, what we can do to improve service delivery, shorten queues, people on the ground level, how do we move forward and help the people of this particular community and surrounding communities.
Mpumalanga fela jaaka metse-selegae e le mentsi mo porofenseng ba itemogela mathata a go ngokela badiredi ba tsa boitekanelo segolo sotonna Dingaka.
I think a very big problem has been stated and it has been discussed in this very function of our health professionals leaving the province, and I think the big reason for that is that we don't have a university and we don't have a facility in which the medical professionals can further their studies and further their professions and become specialists in the required fields and the desired fields.
In terms of what one of the students said, or the doctors, you heard what she was saying. They are still very young. They will want Mpumalanga to have a medical school so that they can further their studies. They want to remain in Mpumalanga. They don't want to go to other provinces.
Dingaka tse di alogileng di tlile go romelwa go ya go dira nakwana kwa maokelong a akaretsang Ferreira, Themba, Mapulaneng, Emelo le Witbank.